Hey guys, and welcome to our video recapping Japfest 2018 in Assen. Today's video I'll be showing you highlights from the time attack, which also features non-Japanese cars, drag races, and the paddocks. In some parts of the video I will put music, but for most of the time you can enjoy the sound of all the engines. I would like to apologize for all the wobbly images. It was raining all day, so I didn't want to risk breaking my stabilizer for my camera. Regardless, I hope all of you enjoy the video. Thank you so much for watching.
Over Honda. Rijwinkel.
To recap the drag racing you just saw, most of the first part was practice rounds, but the top three, the GTR came in third, the Lexus came in second, and the Subaru Impreza came in first. The rest of the video will not showcase any more races, but mainly cars in the paddock, some in the parking lot, and some cars in the tunnels, so the engine sounds aren't over yet. Enjoy the rest of the video.
Watching it end again and again. I feel it in waves, you follow me, drifting to places I should leave. So close to the edge of something so perfect. We were too scared to take the leap. I'm missing the way we used to be. Let me go. All that we had, I'm rolling like water in the sea. The memories crashing into me, so close to the edge of something so worth it. You had the world right at your feet, and almost is all we'll ever be.
As you saw after the drag racing event, we managed to get some more nice footage of some parked cars here and some loud cars in the tunnel, man. Almost deaf.
I have no burnouts.
Sadly, not that many burnouts. I would have liked to see a few. Were some really nice cars that came by. Some Honda Civics that I didn't expect to be loud were really fucking loud. That was a lot of fun. I guess that's all for. It's going to be all for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, share it with your friends. Leave a comment. What should we do better? What was good? Social media. Yeah, follow us on social media. Our Instagram and Facebook are in the description. So I guess that's all. See you guys later.
Don't forget YouTube.
YouTube. I said subscribe.
Sorry.